In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install GoDaddy SSL certificate, how to add an SSL and increase site security. An SSL certificate encrypts the connection between your visitors and your website, adds the trusted padlock in the browser, and helps prevent warning messages. Before we begin, make sure you can sign in to your GoDaddy account and that you have your certificate file, typically a.crt, ready to upload. Start by signing into your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, open your profile menu at the top right and head into My Products. This is where all of your domains and hosting services are organized in one place. In the domain section, choose Manage All so you can see the full list and quickly reach the settings you need for the domain you're securing. From the domain list, select the domain you're working on and open its DNS area. This helps confirm you're in the right place for that domain and can be useful later if you ever need to double check where the domain points. Next, locate your hosting plan associated with this domain and launch cPanel Admin. If you host with GoDaddy, cPanel is where you'll complete the actual certificate installation. Inside cPanel, look for the security section and choose SSL TLS. This is the control center for certificates on your server. First, under Certificates, CRT, upload your certificate file. Click the Upload option, select your .crt file from your computer, and submit it. After it's uploaded, cPanel stores the certificate so you can apply it to your domain. If your certificate provider included an intermediate certificate bundle, cPanel often recognizes and fills that automatically, but it's fine if you only have the main.crt ready now. With the certificate uploaded, go back to the SSL TLS area and open Manage SSL Sites. Choose your domain from the list, then use Browse Certificates to select the certificate you just uploaded. Double check that the domain name shown on the certificate matches your site exactly, including any www version you plan to serve. When everything looks correct, click Install Certificate. Give the server a moment to apply the changes. After installation, visit your site using HTTPS. If the padlock doesn't appear immediately, clear your browser cache or try a private window. It can take a minute for the browser to fetch the new chain. Also, make sure your domain points to the same hosting account where you installed the certificate. That's it. You've installed your GoDaddy SSL certificate and taken a major step toward protecting your site and your visitors.